Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and make sure you have the notification bell on so that you are notified when I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays every week regarding life, lux, and anything girly. So guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to do something girly, and I've been seeing a lot of those. Is it Shein? Is it Shine? I don't know. Teach me how to say it properly. But I'm going to say SHEIN HAUL on YouTube, and I really was interested. I wear a lot of business type clothing at work. And these are types of clothes that have to be washed every week. So I normally don't invest on very expensive clothes for work because, like I said, they get used so much. So I usually will purchase items that are on sale or on the cheaper end, but still look really, really nice. So today I wanted to share what I've purchased, what I love and what I don't love with you guys, with some mod shots, including how much I paid for the item and what it feels like. Is it good quality or not? So Shein is on the lower end, I would say, in terms of pricing. It kind of reminds me of, I'm going to date myself here, guys. I don't even know if this store is still, oh, by the way, I wanted to do something different with my lashes. So if they're a little bit more poofier, it's because I have fake ones on today. Let me know what you think about them. Do I look crazy? My son was a little like, what's wrong with your lashes, mommy? Yeah, there's nothing wrong. I'm just not blessed with real lashes. So I tried those on today and they're keeping on, or they're staying on pretty well. These are Glamnetics. So that's what I have on today, guys. In terms of what I've purchased, let me just kind of pull out the items and kind of share with you a few of the things that I love about them. I got a pretty big box here, but this skirt, it's like a tweed skirt. Its length is okay for work if I wear tights. I will never wear this bare legged just because, I don't know. I work in a primary care physician's office, so I wouldn't feel comfortable showing that much leg at work. But yeah, so that's a tweed skirt. I'll post how much it was up here. And let's see. I love that their items also come individually wrapped, but it's not so great for the environment. So I'll have to figure out how to get rid of those. So I got this long skirt, and I really would love this for the summer, but and the fall. We'll see how it pairs with other items. But can you tell I like polka dots? Yes, I like polka dots. So that's something that I got because that's going to be very cute with like a red top, a white top, even just a black top. I think it'll look really, really cute. Next item is just a long sleeve top that I can definitely use for work. I love tops like this because they're so versatile. I can use these with pants, I can use these with dresses, and I'll show you in a bit the screen, okay? The next item is another skirt. I do love wearing skirts at work. Again, I do wear a lot of tights at work, so this will really, really go well with some of the winter. Yes, I wear skirts in the winter, guys, but I do wear a lot of tights. This one I most likely won't wear for winter, but I will definitely wear it in the fall. It has a little slit. Where is it? It's a skirt. I can't find a slit right now, but it has a little slit. And it feels really, really nice. So I wanna see how that will pair. I think I'll have to pull a shirt from what I currently have now to match this particular item, but I remember that was a good deal. I got just like a relaxed blouse This one's inside out. Oh, this is one I tried this one on already. So this one is very, very cute. And then let's see. One of the items that I love. Guys, look at that. Look at that green. Okay. This is a very cute work shirt. And I can transition that into a casual outfit. All right, guys. So, you know, when you shop at these websites, they look super cute on the models. And you're like, oh my God, I don't even get that. It's so cute. And then you get it and you're like, what is that? That's how I got into this holy mustard mess. Okay. We'll see what I can do with this. Not really entirely sure. Yeah, I like the color. Actually, it's a lot more yellow in person than mustard. It's really bright. So I don't think I'll wear that for work at all. I got this. Oh my God. Sorry, guys. I'm terrible at this. It's my first haul. Leave me alone. So I also got these, this blouse. It looked really cute on the model. We'll see. And then I really love sweater dresses, and they had so many cute ones on the website. I think I purchased 5 and I'm only keeping 1. And I don't even know if I should show you guys because it's so annoying. They look so cute on the models, but on me, it's like, there's this big old sweater dress here. I'm already sweating just thinking about it. This one here, I'll pull these out for you guys. I'm not gonna pull out that one. I'll just post a picture up here because it's a pain in the butt. But it's so boxy, but on the website, again, I don't have any curves, so maybe that's why they're so boxy on me. So I am going to return a bunch of the sweater dresses I got because those were the ones that I did try on because I wanted to see if I liked them because I was going to go ahead and order more because it takes forever for it to get here. So this top, I'm very excited to try on. This one is, look at that, it has like the laser cuts. I hope it fits because I truly enjoy tops like that I can wear with shorts, with pants, with skirts for work. So what's this one? Oh, this is that one, I think the one sweater dress that I'm going to keep. And the only thing that's helping me out is this ruching on the side. Makes it look like I actually have a shape. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, I remember this. All right, so I would love to try this on. This is gonna be one of those work shirts as well. Now, how long will this last? I'll have to hand wash this because my washing machine will eat this and destroy it. So, pretty cheap buy, but it probably won't last long in that sense. And one last thing that I'm gonna keep, it's so cute. So I watched a YouTuber, crap, well, I broke the plastic, so I guess it's staying with me. But I have a coworker that has a cute little pug. And how cute is this? Lisa, if you're watching, this is for you. So that is for her. And she's a baker too, guys. So this is going to go perfect when she makes me her baked goodies, because she makes me baked goodies because she's sweet like that. So that's going to go straight to Lisa. Oh, I already broke it, so I don't even know why I'm putting it back. So the idea of this video is I wanted to kind of showcase a few of like a non-luxury brand, definitely on the more affordable side. But I wanted to show you how I will style these items with what I would do when I would go to work and versus if I was just having a casual day. obviously with bags too. So if you like content like that, please stay tuned and let's get on with the mod shots. This skirt surprised me the most. I love that I can actually use it for work. I was originally going to use this as a boating bottom, but as you can see, she works just fine for a work outfit. This tweed skirt does not have the best quality, I would say, but for the price, I would definitely keep using it. The pearl top is also not the best quality. This one is kind of thin, the green top, but it works really well. And the polka dot bottom skirt, I just love. It's very flowy. This skirt is a little too short for work for me, or maybe too edgy, but it's super cute. I think it would work well with date nights. See, it's not very long. These two tops also will go well with pants, so I love that they can transition with shorts and pants. I can also use these for work. This top I love with the skirt that I already have. It just gives me such a pink feel, and it looks super cute with the Alma BB in cream. This top is my absolute favorite out of the haul. I think I just like green. It works well with a skirt, with work pants, and it's pretty comfortable. Nothing scratchy. And as you can see, I can also wear it with shorts just fine. I love it. So these dresses kind of surprised me when I pulled them out of the bags. I thought I was gonna originally return them, but after trying them on, I think they're growing on me. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. This dress is still iffy to me because it's very, very big. It looks cute in the front, but as you can tell in the back, because it's so big on me that there's a lot of extra fabric. So let me know if I should keep this or return. This dress is the only one that I fell in love with in the beginning. I would pair this with boots and sneakers. It looks great with both. Alright guys, I'm pretty tired. That was a lot. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this is different than our normal luxury haul, but I love girly things. So I wanted to share my haul with you guys. Let me know if you've ordered from SHEIN. Let me know if you've ordered from this place before and your personal experience. So I will return some of the items and hopefully it won't be a hassle. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated on that, on their customer service. But so far, all of the items came in a box. It took about 2.5 to 3 weeks to come. And we'll see how long it takes for it to go back, for it to get processed, and well, the items that I'm going to return, for those to get processed so that you know for future references. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave me a comment down below on your thoughts on today's video, and have a blessed day.